Ay.
Hindi mamaya. Ayan. Comment or
E-cigarettes are strictly prohibited. Magandang umaga, ito po ang AirAsia Flight D217 patungong Caticlan, Boracay. Ang flight na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Andre Cuevas sa tulong ni unang opisyal, Paul Abalos. At ako po si Irish, ang inyong senior cabin crew, kasama si cabin crew Carlet, Elise at Al. Tayo po ay lilipad ng higit kumulang 1 oras. Maraming salamat po. Dear guests, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is their utmost concern, and the safety features of this aircraft may differ from other aircraft, we ask your full attention. To the cabin crew in front of you, this is your seatbelt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seats and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartments above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth the headband slightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit, before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you're at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest is an all tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and there is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation flags are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage and smoke is present. Please keep low and follow the path light to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pockets. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a safe and pleasant flight. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is bookarded on the equipment itself. And this is an important announcement: in case of loss of cabin pressure, you must remove your face mask before using the cabin oxygen mask. Para po sa inyong kaalaman, sakali pong mawala ng cabin pressure, tanggalin po muna ang inyong mga face mask bago isuot ang cabin oxygen mask. Maraming salamat po.
Lisa, look at this one. Lisa, look at it. Right, Lisa. Okay. Sit down. You don't want to go. Cars or you'll have a name cars? The vehicle forward.
everyone sits down. Dangerous. Stand up.
Dear guests, cabin lights will be dim for takeoff. If you wish to read, please switch on the reading light. The button is located above you. Thank you. aircraft, but for